Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Belgium is so rich. Belgium boasts a highly developed, high-income, and mixed economy, making it one of the wealthiest nations globally. Its impressive GDP per capita, estimated at over $58,000 for 2025, reflects a strong economic foundation. As a founding member of both the European Union and NATO, Belgium plays a significant role in international governance and diplomacy, further solidifying its economic standing. Belgium's strategic geographic location in the heart of Western Europe is a major driver of its prosperity. This prime position, coupled with world-class infrastructure, including the Port of Antwerp, Europe's second largest, facilitates extensive international trade. The nation's economy is heavily reliant on exports, which constitute more than two-thirds of its gross national income, demonstrating its deep integration into global markets. The Belgian economy is largely service-driven, with this sector contributing over 77% to its GDP. Beyond services, key industrial strengths lie in pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and machinery manufacturing. A highly skilled, multilingual, and productive workforce underpins these diverse sectors, attracting foreign investment and fostering innovation. This combination of a strong service sector and advanced industries ensures robust economic output. Belgium's wealth is also supported by strong institutions and a high rate of home ownership, which fosters financial stability for its citizens. The country holds a significant global position in processing valuable metals like cobalt, radium, and copper, showcasing its specialized industrial capabilities. These factors, combined with ongoing innovation, position Belgium for continued economic growth. For practical solutions to simplify your daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.